Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topics fraction. Question: find the missing value in each pair of equivalent fractions. Number A. Here is 2 by 5 equals to 26 divide x. This case or these kinds of math, first we have to multiply like cross multiplication. So 2 times x equals to 5 times 26. So we can divide both sides by 2. So x equals to 5 times 26 divide 2. So 26 divide 2, it means 13. So 13 times 5, it will be 65. 65 is our answer. Number B. Here is 5 divide 7 equals to 120 divide x. Similar, we can make cross multiplication. So it will be 5x equals to 120 times 7. We can divide both sides by 5. So x equals to 120 times 7 divide 5. So we can make division 120 by 5. So what will be the result? Here is 2. 2 times 5 means 10. So here is 4. So what will be the answer? 24 times 7. It means 7 times 4 means 28. 7 times 2 is a 14. 14 plus 2 is a 16. It means 168. So what about number C? Look, here is also same cross multiplication. So here is 6x equals to 5 times 66. So we can divide both sides by 6. So x equals to 5 times 66 divide 6. So 66 divide 6, it means 11. Our answer is 55. Number D. What is the missing value? It means we will find out x. So in this case, cross multiplication, 11 times x, 11x equals to 143 times 9. So here is x, here is 143 times 9 divide 11. So now 143 divide 11, it will be 13, right? It will be 13 times 9. What is the result? 13 times 9, it means 117. Okay, so we can write this one in here, 117. Number E. Here is 5 divide 3 equals to 80 divide x. So 5x equals to 3 times 80. It means we are doing cross multiplication. So we can divide both sides by 5. So x 3 times 80 divide 5. So here is what? 16. So 16 times 3, the result is 48. Number F. And today's last question answer. Here is also we are doing cross multiplication. So 12 times x, 12x equals to 8 times 156. So we can divide both sides by 12. So it will be x. So 8 times 156 divide 12. Right? Now we can divide by 4. So 8 divide 4 means 2, and here is 6, right? It's not right because here is 3. 12 divide 4 means 3, and this one 156 divide 3. So here is 4. 4 times 3 is a 12. So 15 minus 12 is a 3, and 6. it means 36. 36 is, it should 5. 5 times 3 is a 15 and 3 times 2 is a 6, so 52. So what is the value? 2 times 2 is a 4 and 2 times 5 is a 10, so 104. So we are trying to solve 6 math. It's a very simple and basic level, basic level math, but it's very important to enter advanced level math. So it will be help for IGCSE or SET or any kinds of competitive examination, and also International Math Olympiad. Try to more and more practice at home, which will help you in future. No more today. Thank you very much. Don't forget subscribe the channel.